In my first week of becoming an Amazon affiliate, I got about £30. So I got this £30 just because I joined the Amazon affiliate program and did about 3 videos where I was talking about a walking pad, and the other one I was talking about my lens, and the other one I was talking about my mic. So yes, this is how it works. If you have ever made easy money here on internet or online or any affiliate program, this Amazon affiliate program is the easiest way to make money. You make money while you are sleeping. So this is how it works. Go to Amazon Associate website and create an account. It's free. That's step number 1. Step number 2, choose your niche. Choose what you know, what you want to talk about, things that are comfortable to share with other people. As for me, I share about my camera gear, geography gear, and some little things that I like using in our house. And also sometimes I share things that my wife also likes. So choose your niche. Step number 3, engage with your audience. So what you need to do is you create those videos I was talking about. You create videos about the product, showcasing why you bought the product, why you bought it, and how is it working for you. Normally, I usually test something before I do any video about it or the product, because I don't want to lose my credibility after I've recommended something that is not good to someone. I want to recommend something that I know is going to benefit someone and it's good quality, and it will not come back and bite me. That's all you need to do. Then after that, I think you go following this instruction, you go and add the account you want your money to go into, want to receive your payment, the taxes, you do all those details there, some verifications, IDs, those things, you are done. And you are making money while you are sleeping. I know the person watching this is a content creator, or you want to be a content creator, or you've got some kind of following either on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You've got some kind of influence. There are people that are following you. So you just go to Amazon website and click on Amazon affiliate program. Then apply. You fill in all the details that are needed and follow all the instructions. Then you submit. After you've submitted, you will be accepted. If you are accepted, you are lucky. And that was the only hard part. Then you create your own store with your own name, use your own pictures, then upload as many products as you want. I would advise, if you upload program that you are familiar with, so you can make some videos and post on your socials. So if anyone buys through you, you get a commission, and Amazon will be pushing these videos for you. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to tell people about price. You don't need to say, oh, come buy this, oh, buy. No, what you simply do is simple. For example, I want to talk about this. What can I say? I want to talk about this mug. So you just come like this, recording a video. So last week I needed a flask. I needed something, it's getting cold, and I need something that can keep my coffee warm as I do long shifts. So I got this mug. This mug has saved my life, and it has made my life so easy. I can keep my coffee in this mug for about 5 hours and it will still be warm and nice. I've chosen this mug because look, even you look at it, it's stylish, it's metal, and if you're holding outside, you can't feel the heat inside. It can keep and contain. That's it. You're done. You post it, you send it to Amazon then they will review it, then they will publish it. They will push these videos. You can do videos, you can do photos, you can. The first thing that is important, your first 3 videos are the most important. I'll go in depth. If you want to hear more about this, just let me know in the comment section. I'll explain this to you step by step. But come on, guys, whoever you are, if you're in the UK or you've got a UK Amazon account, or you're in UK and you're an influencer, this is a chance for you to make that extra income. It's not much for me because I don't do it every day, but maybe you can do it better than me. As I'm telling you right now, last month, I got about 25 pounds, and this month I think I've got 17 pounds. I've made some. This is money that is just coming to me whilst I'm sleeping and doing all other things. This is your chance. Join this program. Trust me, you enjoy it. Till next time, simply simplify. My name is John, and please don't forget to subscribe, share. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.